Hello, welcome back. So today I would like to show you how you can add images to your mural. So this is very simple and straightforward. So all you have to do is click on images here, and this is a Google search. So whatever you search here is gonna show up on the screen. So let's quickly search for something here. So let's say landscape. This is exactly what Google is searching for and retrieving back the Google images. So here's an option. I will select one of the images. You can click here and it's gonna be there, or you can just drag here and drop whatever you want. So let me add. So then I can either rotate, I can trim the picture, I can make it smaller and focus on a place that I want, and as soon as I've done that, I can just click on enter and it's gonna be trimmed, and then I can adjust again. I can add borders based on the options here. Yeah, that's how you add an image. This is actually one of the ways. I mean, you can use the Google to search for anything, but you can also import images from your computer, and all you have to do is click on the import images in there. So you click in there, look from your computer, and it's gonna be prompting up the search on your computer. You select the image and it's gonna be here. So that's how you add images to your mural. Thank you very much. Hope you liked the video. If you do, hit the like button and subscribe for more. Thank you.